Yes, sir.
Itong core group, nabooking na eh. Ha? Yung Ed Año, professional soldier daw siya, PPMA, ay not counted po yan eh. At yung sinasabi nyo, na nalaman nyo lang kung ano nangyayari ng March 11, lalo pa ho kayong nadiin dahil kayo ang national spy. Alam ba ninyo, Eduardo Año, alam mo ba na ikaw ang national spy? Pero what was your statement? Hindi, wala akong alam. Nalaman ko lang yan March 11. Kalat na yung previous arrangements ng gobyerno natin as far back as 2024. No? Bakit hindi alam ng NICA, hindi alam ng National Security Advisor ito? Ha? Kung talagang, anyway, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Kung talagang wala kang alam, Danyo, mag-resign ka na lang. That is the only way you can save your reputation. While you are ahead, mag-resign ka na. Ha? Number 2, si Gibo Teodoro. Sinasabi niya, ganun din. Ang AFP, hindi, walang law enforcement. Bullshit. Dinala si Presidente Duterte sa isang military facility. Ed Año and Gibo Teodoro, that is a participation of the Department of Defense and the Armed Forces of the Philippines by collaboration, by commission. Pumayag kayo na gamitin ng Philippine National Police ang inyong facility para sa isang illegal act. Pangalawa, you were monitoring. Ang testigo namin dito, testigo ng bayan dito, si John Vic Rimulya. You were monitoring it from Camp Aguinaldo. Why did you not stop a crime, a heinous crime of kidnapping that is happening in a military facility? Why did you not stop the kidnapping being perpetrated no less than by the Philippine National Police and the Department of Justice? So wala ka pa rin excuse dyan, Gibo Teodoro. You are complicit by omission. Alright, so natira na lang yung mga core group kay John Vic at saka kay Marcos. Ang hindi na-mention ni John Vic, yung kapatid niya, part din itong core na ito, miski na sinasabi niya he was out of the country, pero nadulas din ho ang dila. Ang sabi niya, but I was monitoring everything by phone and I was connected. Mr. Rimulya, the principal actor in this is your Prosecutor General. DOJ yan. Huwag na kayong maghugas ng kamay.